Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Health Test Kits is probably one of the most sought-after innovations in recent years, offering a convenient and affordable way to monitor your health from the comfort of your home. This video will dive into the top-rated options available, helping you make an informed decision based on accuracy, ease of use, and overall value, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your specific health needs and preferences. Number 5. UTI Test Strips Home Kit. Wondering if you have a UTI? This home testing kit gives you results in just 2 minutes, so you can seek treatment quickly. It uses the same testing method as many doctors, checking for both leukocytes and nitrite for reliable results. Get professional level readings from the comfort of your home. Each strip is individually foil wrapped to maintain freshness and accuracy for up to 2 years. Test only what you need, keeping the rest protected. A reusable testing cup is included for easy and mess-free sample collection. No need to use your own cups. The easy-to-follow instructions and color chart make interpreting your results a breeze. You'll know what your reading means in minutes. This kit includes 50 individually wrapped test strips, providing ample testing opportunities. What we like? It provides results in just 2 minutes, uses the same testing method as many doctors, and features a long shelf life thanks to foil packaging. If you need a quick and reliable UTI test for peace of mind, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want fast results and the confidence of clinical accuracy. What people say. The instructions are clear and results are easy to understand based on the instructions. It came back positive and I went to a doctor to get a subscription. She was surprised that this even existed and that it gave correct results. These seem to work as described and easy to use. Number 4. 5 Strands Nutrition Test. Are you experiencing unexplained symptoms like brittle nails or hair loss? These could be signs of nutrient imbalances. It's time to understand what's happening inside your body. This simple test comprehensively analyzes your body's ability to absorb essential vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It pinpoints your specific deficiencies for targeted action. Testing is easy and convenient. Just register your kit, collect a hair sample, and send it back using the prepaid materials. Results are delivered in just 5 days. Once you receive your results, you can start making informed dietary changes. Prioritize whole foods and choose supplements wisely to improve nutrient absorption. Developed with functional medicine experts, this test has helped over 250,000 people improve their health. Take charge of your well-being with confidence. What we like? This test analyzes 80+ vitamins and minerals via hair analysis, all from the convenience of your home. If you're looking to understand potential nutritional deficiencies and improve your diet proactively, this comprehensive test is a great option. It's ideal for those seeking a detailed nutritional overview and personalized dietary adjustments. What people say. The tests were done on 3 categories: food, nutrients, and environmental. In each test, the aim is to list those items that may cause harm to our bodies. The items are ranked into 3 levels from highest intolerance, to avoid for 60 days, to the lowest, 15 days, plus a normal level that it's okay to consume or be exposed to. My results arrived in my inbox 6 days after I dropped the sample in the mail, which was impressive. My results were consistent with my most recent blood work, last year, at my doctor's office. All my life I was always conscious of what I ate and also took my multivitamins. It shocked me to learn that for some reason, my body wasn't absorbing magnesium very well. And guess what? My multivitamin barely gave me the amount of magnesium that I needed. So I immediately bought a magnesium supplement, and believe me, I have never felt better. Number 3. 5 Strands Intolerance Test. It tests over 440 foods, environmental factors, and nutrients to give you a complete picture of your intolerances and imbalances. This allows you to make informed decisions about your diet and lifestyle. This test uses a patented hair analysis method, trusted by functional medicine practitioners worldwide. It provides insights to help transform your diet and lifestyle. Testing is simple and convenient. Just register your kit online, collect a hair sample, send it in, and receive your results in 7 days. Your results will show food intolerances and nutrient imbalances. Eliminate severe intolerances gradually over 6 to 8 weeks and focus on addressing nutrient deficiencies. For best results, approach this with an open mind and don't hesitate to ask our support team questions. Remember that changes take time. Be patient and consistent. What we like. It's an all-in-one test covering 440+ food, environmental, and nutritional items. If you want a comprehensive overview of your intolerances and nutritional imbalances to optimize your diet and lifestyle, this is the best choice. It's perfect for those seeking a holistic approach to health and wellness. What people say. This easy hair test gives so much important information regarding food, nutrition, and environmental sensitivities. The process of receiving the kit and mailing back hairs was simple enough, though I used armpit hairs, so a bit of plucking. Mailed the kit back and got a PDF in my email within about a week. Extensive information with so many items tested. Seemed to receive results fast, which was good. Number 2. Modern fertility hormone test. Planning for a family? It all starts with understanding your body. This at-home test provides valuable insights into your fertility health. It measures key hormones to assess your ovarian reserve and identify potential issues like thyroid problems or PCOS. Get a clear picture of your reproductive health. Collect your sample from the comfort of your home or at a Quest Diagnostics lab. Then, simply mail it in for fast and accurate results. Your results are reviewed against clinical guidelines and come with a free consultation with a fertility nurse. Plus, access our app and supportive community. It provides the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about your reproductive future, whether you're considering egg freezing, IVF, or simply want to understand your body better. It tests up to 8 hormones, including AMH, TSH, FSH, estradiol, FT4, and prolactin, giving you a comprehensive overview of your hormone levels. Take charge of your reproductive health with this easy-to-use, accurate, and informative test. Start planning your future today. What we like. It tests 8 key hormones to provide insights into your fertility. If you are looking for a reliable at-home fertility test with expert support, this is it. It's perfect for women aged 21 to 45 who want to understand their fertility and plan for the future. What people say. The blood test was very simple and straightforward, and the tutorial video was super helpful. I received the results within 2 weeks' time, with a warning email, so again I could mentally prepare. The results included a lot of useful information which helped me understand what the results actually meant. The kit comes with easy-to-follow instructions with a link to YouTube tutorial for those who want additional guidance. The test consists of a simple finger prick, a card to collect your blood sample, and a ready-to-mail envelope. The process itself is super easy from ordering to doing the actual testing. You do have to pick yourself for a blood sample, so be prepared or have someone with you that can help if you're squeamish. My kit came with 2 test slides, so you may have to pick yourself more than once to really get enough blood sample. I really appreciated the step-by-step video and how succinct it was. Number 1. URINIFY Essential App and Strips. It's a convenient way to monitor your kidney and liver health from the comfort of your home. Simply use the test strips and app to get quick results. This kit lets you easily assess your kidney and liver function. It's designed for both men and women, providing valuable insights into your health. Worried about a UTI? It provides accurate and reliable UTI testing at home, saving you time and money. It's more than just a UTI test. It helps you analyze various aspects of your urine, including pH levels and protein. The app makes interpreting the results easy. Empower yourself with knowledge. It gives you the tools to monitor your health proactively and seek medical advice when needed. It's a small step towards a healthier you. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll send you a gift. Your well-being is our priority. What we like. This kit offers multiple tests including UTI, kidney, liver, and hydration tests, and comes with a user-friendly app. If you value convenience and comprehensive testing with excellent customer service, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want to monitor various aspects of their health easily and efficiently. What people say. This product is perfect if you want to track how certain parts of your body are doing and how to adjust to your lifestyle. My liver has been on the mend, and this product has assured me that my current lifestyle has helped my health. Amazingly, the app has videos and articles to address health and wellness needs. Recently had some issues with my kidney function and need to monitor at home. These strips have been very helpful to me. I get my protein and creatinine levels monitored using these. Love the explanations and graphs in the app. It's the best kit I've tried so far. The product is very nice, and being able to get those kinds of results on your phone, seeing them so fast, is amazing. The scanning went very smoothly, my stick wasn't even fully straight, and it was read by my phone, which doesn't always happen with other apps. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.